Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Gigabyte new gaming case C500 Panoramic Steel. So friend, Gigabyte has announced the C500 Panoramic Steel mid-tower gaming case, and friend, the case is features panoramic tempered glass side design on front and side panel and 270-degree panoramic viewing angle, and the case are designed with full-size tempered glass achieving a complete 270 degree and allow the interior rig and RGB equipment of the case to be perfectly displayed, and additionally the no-drill design of both glass panel effectively reduce the risk of damage, enhancing the overall aesthetics of the entire PC and providing safety during de-assembly and thereby extending the product's lifespan. So friend, the case is compatible with standard ATX Spec Connect motherboard and can be paired with Gigabyte Steel Series motherboard, offering a variety of options for user and creating a series style of PC setup. And the design of the Back Connect motherboards fully leverages the advantage of the panoramic glass panel and offering multiple benefits, and the top, bottom, and partial side panel all feature vent design, minimizing air, facilitating the intake of cool air and exhaust of hot air. And additionally, the case comes with 420 ARGB pre-installed fans positioned at the side and rear of the case and providing an excellent airflow path, and they ensure high efficiency cooling and keeping the computer system well ventilated and maintaining stable performance. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.